Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how we can extract the state and pin code from this address. And this usually we will search from the right side to left side, and how we can do that. Okay, so before doing that, I will show you what all formula I'm gonna use this in to extract the out of that. Okay, so we will use mid function, left, and substitute and find and length function. Okay, so what is the mute function, what is the substitute function, and left, find, those all things I'll just explain you. For an example, I'll take any text a s f g r t t this. Okay, this is my text. Mid function, how does it work? Mid function, I'll just write it, I'll show you. Mid function, it is work like you, if you have any text, you want to extract some only particular text, so in that way mid function usually we use for that. Okay, so for mid equivalent mid bracket start, and I'll select this text. First it is asking for this text, I'll just select for the text, and it is asking for me for the starting number. For an example, I want to extract grt, so it is starting from fourth. G is starting from fourth, and how many letter I want three number of the letter. I'll enter. Now you can see GRT. If I want HHG, then how can I extract? I can put starting number, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I put here 7, then I'll get starting number GGH. Sorry, it should be 8. GGH. Okay, because G also will be count like this. This is this many number, you want only this ggh, and this many number you need to avoid. Then starting from g in the sense you need to start count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So ggh. Okay, how we can get it in the left function? Left means what is the use of that? Like you can do from left side, you cannot do cutoff of anything, so you can do cutoff from the right side. Okay, so exactly how does it work? I'll put here left. Now I'll select this text. Okay, now it will ask you how many number of the character you want. I basically, if I want 5 number of the character, then I'll put here 5. Now you can see from starting to 5 it is right. Okay, so if you want 8 number of the character, you can put 8. Now you can see 8 number of the character it is showing. And same thing also, right function also work. We will not use here right function, but I'll just explain you. Right function also use like that, work like that. Right, again text. If I want from right side to left side, if I want 5 character, then I'll put here 5, and I'll enter. Now you can see 5 character are showing here. Okay, so now is the another function is the substitute. Substitute is the very much important formula, and substitute is the very interesting formula in the Excel and Google Sheet also. And whatever I'm using right now, you get that same thing you can use it also in the Google Sheet. In this also we will use that formula and we'll see. Okay, so now let me take that text again. Okay, so now here substitute. If you want to replace any text to something for the different. Okay, for an example, I'll just write here Peter Fernandez. Okay, and if I want to, here you can see I have written the Fernandez. So Peter, Mark, if you want to change Fernandez to the Mac. Okay, so how we can change that? We will use the substitute function. Okay, substitute. Now I'll select this one. Then now it is asking me what is your old text. So we will write inside the double quote. In that we'll write the what is my old text, Fernandac. And what is my new text? What I am going to give, my new text is Mac. Okay, then I'll enter that. Then now you can see it is become Peter Mac. Basically in your within the text, this is changing your character. Okay, for we'll take another function, Peter, sorry, substitute, and I'll select this one. Wherever E is there, if I want to change to some other text character, for an example, I'll take A. Okay, now I'll write double click, sorry, double quotation, and I'll put here comma, again double clone or quotation, whatever you say, and A. Okay, then I'll enter. Now you can see Patar Fernandez, something it is like. So this is how it is working, the substitute. And substitute also one more character also it is there. sorry, one more parameter, it is also there. Parameter name is substitute text from your old text, from your what is the new text. This will convert your old text to new text. And one more, it is there, intense number. What is the meaning of the intense number, how we can use that? So let me take here, let me take any kind of the number here. Okay, for an example, I want to convert this dash to my comma. So what I'll do here, substitute, I'll click on this, then my old text is dash and my new text is comma. Then if I put here, enter my old text in the converted. If I want to convert some particular like dash, I don't want everything. For an example, I want the second one should be convert to comma, rest or let it be the same. Then I'll put here substitute, I'll select this, then I will select here dash and comma. Inside the double clone, I'll put here comma. Then you might be getting confused, so I'll just explain you what I'm going to do here. So first, this is the whatever text you are writing, that should be written inside the double clone. So double put, I put here double clone, inside that I'll put the comma. To changing the parameter from now, it is in the old text, it keep asking me the old text. If you type anything also, it will consider in this parameter, and this is no more valid because you have written outside of the clone. So what I'll do here, I'll put again comma to change my parameter. As I put it my comma, as soon as it is came to my the next parameter, I delete the comma, now it's came again back to my old text. Okay, again if I put the comma, then it is asking me the new text. Okay, then new text, what is my new text? My new text is the comma. Again inside the double clone only, I'll write the comma. Again I'll come and I'll put here comma. If you put here comma, it is asking me the indense number. Okay, now you can see here, this is written inside the square bracket. Okay, and these all things not written in the square bracket, but this is written in the square bracket. It means this is not mandatory. If you are giving this function also, it will work. If you don't give also this function also, it will work. Now if I delete this, if I close the bracket and press the enter, now you can see it is not accepting that, because this is mandatory field. But the square bracket which is written inside that intense number, that is not mandatory. If you don't give that also, it will work. Okay, comma, then double quote, inside the double clone, I'll put right the comma. Again I'll put the comma. What I said, I don't want everything should be converted like this, entire my text is to be converted from your dash, dash to the comma, then I don't want that. Then what I'll do here, I'll give the index number where which one I want. If I want second one, if I want third one, or first one, I have the three dash, 1 2 and 3. If I want second one, I'll put here comma and I'll press the enter. Okay, now you can see a dash b n comma hjs dhjh dash sdh. Okay, this is the how substitute work. How does the find work? Okay, so I'll write here find basically it will search your character within the text. Okay, I'll write here find. What is my text? First I'll write my text, what for which one I am gonna search that. Then I'll write inside that. For an example, I want to search the dash. Okay, and this is my text, this is my text, and I'll press the enter. Now you can see it is giving me 3. 3 is not number of the dash, 3 is giving me the position of the dash. Position, it will give you only the starting one position and the first one which were going to be used. So okay, so here if I put another dash and something I written, then it won't work. Okay, it won't take, it will search the first one only. Okay, so if I want to search like mine, something might be it is some invoice number, or somewhere maybe it is in something different, that I may have some particular like cut off from my like text, but I don't cannot do that cut directly from my like criteria. In that case what I'll do, for an example, KOLIN FGTRT 45, like this it is there. Okay, and this not fixed, this can be anything, this can be anything. And but KOL dash IN, it is fixed. Okay, okay, like that. So in that case, if I want to search, I want to avoid this first to till this sixth number, I want to start from seventh number to be searched, like what is my position of the dash. In that case what I'll do, okay, then I'll do here, sorry, find, it will find the dash, and this is my text, this is my text. then comma. Again it is another like parameter, it is asking me for the starting number. Again also this is also in the square bracket, it means it doesn't require to give that parameter. But if I am giving the then the starting number, that is will be the, it will avoid that from it will make it cut off and it will start working from that. For an example, KOL is 3 digit and the dash is 4, IAN 6 and 7. Okay, and 7 character, if I will write here 7, then what will happen, you can see another 7, it is giving me start number, it is giving me the 7. One second, it's starting from 8. Okay, because if I don't want this, I should be start from always after the character, after the character, in the sense it should be start from f it start for 8 character, sorry 8 length. So if I write here, now it is giving me the 12, and 12 it will not give like, oh, it won't start again from here 1 2 3 4 and 5, it is not, it will directly count from here only. But it will avoid this, these all things it won't count, and it will count from, it will start from here and it will search where is my dash, and directly it will give the position, and which is position is stand from this character. Okay, I'll just little bit zoom it. Okay, so here this is my number of the character. If I do here now control D, now you can see 18 16 18 21 12. So if I write here in between something, if I delete anything, okay, now it will give me the position number, something 10 or 9, 9, yes 9 it is, because it is AP stand for 8 and 9 is my position of the var. And here if I write anything more, then also it will add that 14. This is the how find function work. Now next function will check what is the work of the length. Okay, so here I have like number of the text. If I want to count like what is my number of the text, like length of the text, like number of the character, how will I know that? I'll write a length function. Length in the sense basically it is the length of your text, and I'll write here, I'll select the text and I'll enter. Now you can see that 18 number of the character. This is very simple, just your length and select. There is no other parameter, only one parameter, and you can count this easily. Okay, now let's uh, go back to our points. Now let me show you how we can extract this pin code, how we can extract this state. Okay, and this is gonna fix my, like from the right side, this will be from the right side to first comma, it will be my pin code. From here also, from right side to first comma, it is my pin code. Everywhere it is the same. Okay, and from the right side, from first comma to second comma, in between my first comma to second comma, it is the, here it is a first comma to second comma, it is my state, and second comma to third comma, it is my district. Okay, so how we can extract the pin code, state or district, anything whatever you want. Okay, so in that case, how we can extract, if you need anything, so how will you extract that? Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll just delete this, and I will do wrap text, and I'll just minimize this. Okay, okay, now we will put the formula right now. First I will from first comma to second, from right side to first comma. Okay, this is my pin code. How we can extract my pin code? First I'll show you the pin code. And now first I use substitute. This is my text, and what I'll do, how many comma I'll count. How will I count the how many comma? I'll count the total number of the length minus without comma, then I'll get my number of the comma. Total number of the count, example I will write here ADFGH. So total number of the character, it is 5. Okay, without comma, how many character is that? There is 4. Then total number of the comma, it will come 5 minus 4 1. So total 5, and number of the character is the without comma is the 4. Then 1 is my one is how I have only one comma in that. So this is also same thing, we'll do it here. Okay, substitute, I'll select the text. Now what I'll do, I'll replace this comma to the blank, double tone comma, and I'll convert it to the blank, and I'll not give any index number, I'll convert everything. Enter. Now you can see there is no comma in this my character. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll take the length of it. Now you can see 76, it is my length of the character without comma. And what is my total length of my character including the comma? I'll take that length of the character, again minus, inside that I'll select this, enter. Now you can see 5 number of the comma. You can see here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the what exactly your count of the comma. So I will do one thing, I will convert this second comma, I'll convert to first comma from the right side, first comma from the right side. I'll convert this to anything something different. What I'll convert it, I will convert to something like something special or unique character. Okay, I'll copy this, copy this. Okay, let me put it here as a 5. Here I'll write. Okay, again I'll put substitute, this is my text, then comma, my old text is the here also comma. What I'm going to convert, for an example, my I want the new text, I want percentage and dollar. I feel there is nothing in this also at a time percentage dollar, so only I taken this unique character. Okay, so here nothing more, in anywhere you won't find it comma and sorry percentage and dollar in one place. Okay, so here what I'll do, this is my entire thing I am going to be convert. Okay, now you can see percentage dollar, but I don't want everything, I want only the fifth one. What I'll do here, I will select this fifth. Okay, this fifth I'll select. Now you can see, you know where it is my percentage comma, only here it is the percentage and a dollar, sorry not comma, percentage and a dollar. Okay, but this fifth, this one I don't have to be select this, I'll just copy this one, and instead of the b2 I'll paste that, enter. Okay, this is also same how it is working, if you select or if you write or anything. Okay, then I'll control X, enter, paste the same. Okay, so here it is my percentage and dollar. Now you got the unique number. Okay, now what I have to do, I will find my position of the percentage and the dollar. What is my position, where it is instant in the character. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to this and I'll control X, I'll do find, I'll find what, I'll find percentage and dollar. I'll find this within the text, this is my text, and enter. Now you can see this is the number position of the character, it is showing me percentage and dollar. Now you got it right. Then how we can get this our pin code? Okay, so this is, I'll put here my mid function, and it will start from the 70 and up to how many character, it is 6 character, but it's not fixed the 6 character, somewhere more space is there, in between space is there, it may be like this. So how we can do that? Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll do control X again. I'll put the mid. My text is in this text, and the comma start number is my 70 is my start number. Instead of the putting 70, I'll put this formula. Then again, I will take maximum. It may be including the space. It may be 100 character, not more than 100. I'll put here directly 100 in this. I'll close the bracket. I'll enter. Now you can see this is coming. This my pin code. Okay. So here I don't want to take this comma also. You can see it is comma also. It's coming because it stands for first percentage dollar in the 70 character, and also comma is coming. So what I'll do, I'll put here close one, I don't want that comma. Okay, now you can see this is coming, and it is also coming that space and more space in that. If you put here space, you can see now it is coming that also. So what to do in that case, I'll put here trim function. Okay, I'll close the bracket, I'll enter. Now you can see it is exactly coming my pin code, nothing more space. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the end, I'll do the control D. Now you can see my everywhere of my text I received the pin code. Okay, this is the same how you can also extract the state like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, and Haryana. Also same thing, you can extract it. How you can extract it, I'll just show you. First without comma I'll check, and with comma I'll check. This is my enter with comma, and this is my without comma. Okay, then I'll check 5. Now in this point I will not convert this fifth number of the comma, I will convert this fourth number of comma, or mean second comma from the right side. So in that case what I'll do, I'll put in -1. Okay, now I'll cut this. Now I'll put here again substitute, this is my text. Again, what is my old text, the old text is comma, and my new text, it is percentage dollar, and my starting number is this one, second comma from the right side. I'll enter this. Now you can see on second comma it's came here. Now again I'll somehow it will go for the mid function. Sorry. Okay, mid, this is my text comma. Then now I'll find here, I'll find what I'll do, the find I'll do find here percentage and dollar position of my position of my percentage and dollar, and this is my text, then comma 100. Okay, now you can see here Jammu and Kashmir both it is coming, and pin code also it is coming. To avoid that comma, and what I'll do here, I'll do here plus one. Sorry, this earlier I directly I pasted this without knowing my position of the percentage dollar. So in this time what I did, I taken the find of the percentage and dollar, then only I put it plus one. Okay, so here this is how you have to do. Now my percent comma also is been gone. Now what I will do, this is my criteria, this is my criteria. So here what I'll do, I'll go to the left option, left, then this is my text, then comma, and here what I'll take up to the next comma, I'll up to the next comma, I will do the left from the left side to up to the next comma, I'll take the character, that is my state. Okay, now left, this is my text, and this is my, like, I'll find up the position of the comma, this is my character, text, and this is my, so like text, this is my searching text, text, and this is my text. Searching text is my comma up to the next character, and within the C, enter, bracket close, and enter. Now you can see it is coming. And here also what I'll do, I'll put here plus one, sorry, not plus one, minus one. Okay, I need to also avoid that comma, so that I'll put here plus one. Now you can see it is working. Now I got the Jammu Kashmir from that, but I cannot put here two column, I cannot take, so that what I'll do, I'll just do the copy from this, and I'll take this and I'll paste here. Again, wherever C2 is there, I'll paste there, paste it, enter, and the entire thing I'll cut it, I'll delete, and I paste it. Now you can see I'll go back to entire down and control D. Everywhere I received Ladakh, Andhra Pradesh, and somewhere Haryana, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, okay, Gujarat. This is my state. So now let me check if anywhere I received the error. Yes, I received the value error. Let me check what is that. Okay, there is nothing in this text, so that it is coming like that. Delete. Okay, now I received all of my pin code and text. Now I'll show you how we can do this same thing in my Google Sheet. How we can do it in the Google Sheet. This is my Google Sheet, and I'll delete this now, and let me take out first state. What I'll do, I'll go to here, I'll copy all these thing, copy, and I'll F2 and paste, enter. Okay, now I received here Jammu and Kashmir. But in the Google Sheet, one features is there, you can use the array formula. You don't have to put this control D or something. I'll put here array formula, and wherever that range is given, that I'll put take entire range. A2, basically I have to convert from A2 directly to the A2, 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 A, and A2, A, enter. It may take 10 to 15 seconds. No, it's directly came, immediately it came. Okay, so this is the how it is work. Now if I want to extract the pin in this, then what I'll do, I'll go to here, then copy, and F2 and paste here. Now here also I'll do here array formula. For the array formula, shortcut is Control Shift and Enter. Then here what I'll do, I'll put is to A, is to A, is to A, is to A, enter. Okay, now you can see everything I received. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.